Hi guys! So today I thought it'd be really fun and cute if we made a little flower pot. And I know painting out on a flower pot is pretty self-explanatory, but I thought we'd do it together. So I'm gonna take you to the store with me and we're gonna go get supplies. Let's go! This was the first thing that I saw when I walked in and I want it so bad.
Next time you fucking put a hand on me, I'ma fucking rip your face off, bitch.
When I was really little, I used to do modeling and I'm in one of these. Look, it's me! It's me!
Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes.
A duck walked up to a lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bump, 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 got any grapes?" The man said, "No, we just sell lemonade, but it's cold and it's fresh and it's all homemade."
So, here we go.
Here we go.
Look at the colors, it's so cute. So you guys don't have to paint the inside if you don't want to, but I'm just gonna do it. So now that we are done painting our little pot, we're going to wait for it to dry. While it's drying, I wanted to show you guys some pots that I did before, and they are all for sale on my Etsy shop for $15. This one has little mushrooms on it. Really super cute. And then there's this one. It says "People suck, talk to plants." Isn't it cute? And it's like all rainbow colored. And it's got little cactuses and a little Saturn. There's this one, this mandala that has my hair stuck to it. Oh, yeah, so all of these are on my shop for $15 if you guys want one. Also, the one that I will be painting for you guys today will be on my shop. And now it's time to paint the pot. Isn't mine so cute? I wonder what yours looks like. I bet it looks great. So now that it's all dry and stuff, we are going to draw on it. You can draw whatever you want. Whatever your little heart desires.
Yeah, I sure hope it does.
Fresh and it's all homemade. Can I get you a glass? The duck said, "I'll pass." Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, till the very next day. Bum, 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 ba-dum. When the duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum, 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 got any grapes?" The man said, "No, like I said yesterday."
Thank you guys so much for watching my video on how to make a little pot. If you painted one with me, DM me on Instagram and I want to see what yours looks like. I love you guys so much. Goodbye. I love you. I love you. See you later.